Alright guys, I'm going to do a little update on this thing. As you can see, it's rocking the wattage right now. That thing sits there most of the time and never spins. Even when it does spin, and it spins lightly, it's not spinning fast enough to produce any wattage. They claim it's a 500 watt wind turbine. The max I've seen with my meter that I put on there is 134 volts. The thing will not produce. It's probably on a windy day averaging 20 to 40 watts on a 500 watt wind turbine. So don't buy this thing. Colossal waste of money. I did it for a test to see how well it will work. It doesn't work well at all. So anyway, if you're looking at the Vevor wind turbine, the 500 watt, save your money. I know it was only $134, and I'm going to leave it up because it does generate a little bit of electricity, and I guess I can try to get some of my money back. All right, anyway, that's a quick little update. Thanks for watching, and God bless.